Healing is already happening within you, even in moments when you feel uncertain or tired. These affirmations are created to gently support your emotional, mental, and inner healing, helping you release pain, restore balance, and feel stronger with each passing day. Take a slow, deep breath. Allow your body and mind to soften. And let these words guide you into a space of calm healing. Let's begin. I am healing more every day. My body knows how to heal naturally. My mind is learning to rest and recover. I allow healing to flow through me. I am becoming stronger with each breath. My heart is gently healing. I release pain at my own pace. Healing energy surrounds me now. My body responds positively to care. I give myself permission to heal. I am patient with my healing process. Every day I feel a little lighter. I trust my body's wisdom. My emotions are finding balance. I am restoring peace within myself. Healing happens naturally for me. I release what no longer serves my well-being. My inner strength supports my healing. I allow myself to rest and recover. My healing journey is valid. I am proud of how far I've come. My body relaxes into healing. I welcome calm into my system. Healing unfolds gently for me. I am learning to let go of emotional weight. My mind feels clearer each day. I choose healing over worry. I am supported during my healing process. My nervous system is calming down. I release stress from my body. I am reconnecting with inner peace. Healing flows through every cell. trust the timing of my recovery. My heart feels safer every day. I give my body what it needs. I am allowed to heal slowly. My thoughts are becoming kinder. I am gentle with myself. Healing energy fills my body now. I choose compassion for myself. My body feels supported and cared for. I am rebuilding my strength. Each day brings progress. I release tension with every breath. I am healing emotionally and mentally. My body welcomes relaxation. I am learning to trust again. Healing is becoming easier. I feel safer within myself. I am reconnecting with calmness. My healing journey is meaningful. I let go of fear gently. I am restoring balance within. My body and mind work together to heal. I allow peace to replace tension. I am healing in ways I cannot yet see. I am grateful for every sign of healing. I choose patience and care. Your grasp on comfort. Healing surrounds me daily. I feel supported by life. My emotions are stabilizing. I am moving forward gently. I trust myself to heal. I release emotional pain safely. I am becoming whole again. Healing feels natural to me. I am safe to feel my emotions. My inner world feels calmer. I am healing at the perfect pace. I choose rest without guilt. My body responds well to love and care. I am learning to breathe deeply again. Healing happens even when I sleep. I am reconnecting with hope. My body is recovering steadily. I release heaviness from my heart. I am open to gentle healing. Each moment supports my recovery. I trust my healing journey. I feel more stable each day. Healing energy flows effortlessly. I am allowed to heal fully. My body feels calmer now. I am releasing emotional blocks. Healing is part of my daily life. I am stronger than before. My healing creates inner peace. I feel grounded and supported. I am safe to move forward. Healing restores my confidence. I am reconnecting with my strength. My body welcomes renewal. I allow myself to feel better. Healing is happening now. I trust my progress. I am kind to myself during healing. My life supports my recovery. I am healing more every single day. I am allowing my healing to deepen naturally. My body feels safer with each passing moment. I am learning to feel calm again. Healing supports me in quiet ways. I trust my body to restore balance. I release old pain gently and slowly. My mind is becoming more peaceful. Take a deep breath and notice the calm settling within you. Healing is not rushed, and you are exactly where you need to be right now. If these affirmations supported your heart, subscribe for more daily healing and positive energy. And comment below, I am healing more every day.